to request the Mssasa to please not file the petition against the state of Meghalaya for the regularization of all the SSA teachers in Meghalaya. Now, the point is, if we file the case by teachers' names, we are afraid or we scared. What is the problems, or maybe the problems it may arise later on? If it comes to the hearing, who will support the individual teachers of all the SSA teachers? So, regarding this, we would like to request also the state government to consider or to please look that we the teachers or we the SSA teachers, we have struggles for so many years. And now the second point is, we request the state of Meghalaya or the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Education Minister to please consider that to include in the state budget for all the SSA teachers.
Ban pembit penbiang ya kajing dengkam jengi kini kai ni support. Andre ban ong kata kajing le jong ngi pada ban ong man haduk ban file dak kes. Di ngim so ya hak kan. Haduk ban file dak kes persya ya ke government. Di kata ngim so ya hak kan.